Buongiorno a tutti! Welcome back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name is Francesco and today I'm going to make another simple risotto. Today I'm going to use gorgonzola and celery. I'm going to use a stalk of celery to make the broth and I'm going to puree it in there so I'm not going to lose any of the goodness. I'm going to start the risotto as normal with a shallot and some butter, but I'm going to add red onion at the end for some colour, some sweetness, and the flavour just goes really well with gorgonzola. Another thing I'm going to add is ground dried orange zest. Another one of my favourite ingredients to add to gorgonzola. And this is easy to make. Just peel your orange very thinly, just the zest, and let it dry out. If you put it on a saucer and put it on the radiator this time of year, it will be done overnight. And then just grind it in your coffee grinder and you'll find that a great addition to anything made with gorgonzola. I'm going to add some chopped pistachios and the leaves of the celery chopped very finely, so it's going to be beautiful to look at and easy and cheap to make. It's going to take about 40 minutes including making the broth, and I'm going to get started now. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need risotto rice, chopped pistachios, butter, celery including the leaves, dried ground orange zest, shallot, gorgonzola, red onion and white wine.